Ecuador's largest waterfall runs dry after sinkhole mysteriously appears. Ecuador's largest waterfall and one of the country's major tourist attractions seems to have vanished. The previously rushing waters of San Rafael Waterfall have dwindled to a tiny stream. Thousands of tourists and locals flock to the fall on the Coca River each year to admire its immense beauty and have their pictures taken in front of it. The river dropped 150 meters into crater-like opening on the other side, making for a spectacular backdrop. But the gushing white water and rising mists have almost dried up, which local media reports is due to a sinkhole opening in the riverbed above the waterfall. The collapse in the ground has caused the water to be diverted into 3 different sections. The Ministry of the Environment has launched an investigation into the cause of the sinkhole. Experts have put forward the theory that it may have been caused by the construction of a nearby hydroelectric plant. The plant is located 12 miles upstream. Emilio Cobo, coordinator of the South America Water Program at the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, said it could not be a coincidence. He told Manga Bay, a waterfall that has been there for thousands of years does not collapse, coincidentally, a few years after opening a hydroelectric project. These are processes that are in scientific papers, and there is sufficient evidence that a dam can cause effects of this type on a river. Others have said the change in flow could be down to natural phenomenon. Geologist and former Secretary of Natural Capital at Ecuador's Ministry of Environment Alfredo Carrasco was one such person. He said the hungry waters phenomenon could be down to seismic activity in the region. He said, "There are many quite intense earthquakes here.